which is now umsebenzi we-macroeconomics. But now for paper 2, your paper 2 for grade 12, is either you write between these two topics. It's either izaba microeconomics or it can be contemporary economic issues, which is now, it normally depends. They prefer to start with micro, they prefer to start contemporary economic issues. So now they are given a choice to choose between these two topics. Abazawuqala ngayo topic between these two topics. Others, they can start with the micro, then others, they can start with economic issues. But according to the ATP, ATP iqala nge-microeconomics, which is now the perfect market, imperfect market, and the market failure. So now these two topics, zona under paper 2 work. But for the learners who are doing grade 12, they will be only writing one topic for paper 2. It's either the microeconomics or the economic issues for May and June exams. But now, for the learners who will be rewriting May and June, which is both topics kubo zizawuphuma ku paper 2 xa bebhala May and June for their examination. Those learners will be rewriting. But for learners who are doing grade 12, there will be only one topic ezawuphuma for paper 2. It's between these two topics. It can be microeconomics or economic issues. Kubo ke it depends kotishara, or it depends kwizikolo uba ngabe ezo sikolo eso sona sichuza eyiphi na topic for paper 2. But for learners who will be rewriting, both topics will appear on their examination when they are writing paper 2, both economic issues and microeconomics. Thank you.